NASA and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, announced the 4 astronauts who will venture around the Moon on Artemis 2, the first crewed mission on NASA's path to establishing a long-term presence at the Moon for science and exploration through Artemis. The agencies revealed the crew members Monday during an event at Ellington Field near NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. The Artemis 2 crew represents thousands of people working tirelessly to bring us to the stars. This is their crew. This is our crew. This is humanity's crew. Set in a new era of exploration for a new generation of star sailors and dreamers, the Artemis generation. The 4 members of the Artemis 2 crew are highly experienced. The commander of the mission will be Reed Wiseman, a naval aviator and test pilot. Serving as pilot is Victor Glover. After flying more than 3,000 hours in more than 40 different aircraft. The lone woman on the crew is mission specialist Christina Hammock-Koch. She has spent 328 days in space, more than any other woman. The crew will be rounded out by a Canadian, Jeremy Hansen. Though a spaceflight rookie, he has participated in space simulations like Nemo 19.